Hello, my name is Alan Walker and I'd like to welcome you to this series of short tutorials on the basics of computing. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to find out your system specifications. It's just in case you go to a computer shop to buy something for your computer or update something, and I'm going to show you where to find that information. So the first thing you do is go to this wee button here. This is the start menu. Click there and go to control panel, and it brings up this dialog box, and there's a lot of things you can access from here, but if we scroll down to the bottom under system, click there and it opens this dialog box. This is where you get your system specifications. You've got the device manager, which is more detailed, and advanced system settings. I'm going to show you here how to take a capture of this so you can print it out, and if you need that information with you, you can take it to the computer shop. One of the cool things about Windows 7 is this wee tool. It's called the snipping tool. Now when you click on it, two things happen. One, your computer screen goes kind of milky, and your cursor turns into this cross. Well, you click and drag the part you want to save, and then you release. When you release it, it takes you into this window here, which is similar to Paint, and you click on this button here to save it. This dialog box comes up, and there's three things you have got to do. One, you tell the computer where you want it saved. In this case, I'm going to save it to the desktop. Then you give the file a name, and I'll call it just capture, and you've got to tell it what format to save it in. Now if you click on this wee downward arrow here, this will give you the range of file formats that you can actually save this in. JPEG is the most common, so that's the one we're going to use. I'm not going to go into things that are really irrelevant at this point. It's just the basic stuff to get you up and running. So we're going to choose a JPEG, and all you do then is you click save, and it will save it to your desktop. So you can close these down now, and there's my capture. If I double click on that, it will open, and you've got the information there, and all you have to do is just print it out and you can take it with you. Now if we go back in here to the start menu, go back to the control panel, go back down to system and device manager. Now the device manager is a wee bit more advanced. This gives you a list of basically everything that your computer's made up of. Now I'm not going to go into too much details here because your head will melt. So for example, when I click on this wee triangle, that's my sound card, the Focusrite Sapphire. When I click here, my computer, it tells it it's a 64-bit PC. I've got 3 hard drives, tells you my monitor, and my graphics card gives me the details of the number of the graphics card, my CD drive. So if you need any information specific to any one thing, that's where you're going to find it.